ఈరోజు మేము మీ ముందుకు ఒక విషయాన్ని మాట్లాడడానికి వచ్చాం.
ప్రపంచంలో కరోనా వైరస్ అని అందరూ కూడా భయపడుతున్నారు. కానీ ప్రపంచంలో కరోనా వైరస్ ఒకటే కాదు, ఎన్నో దేశాల్లో ఎన్నెన్నో జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఈ సంవత్సరంలోనే దేశంలో కొన్ని దేశాల్లో ఫ్లడ్స్, టోర్నడో, ఫైర్స్ అలాగే ఎన్నెన్నో విషయాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి.
కానీ మన మెయిన్ స్ట్రీమ్ మీడియా అనగా న్యూస్ ఛానల్స్ వీటిని ఏవి చూపించకుండా కేవలం కరోనా గురించి మాత్రమే చూపిస్తున్నాయి. వాటి వల్ల చాలామందికి అసలు ప్రపంచంలో ఏం జరుగుతుంది అన్న విషయాలు తెలియట్లేదు. అందులో కొన్ని మేము ఇంటర్నెట్ నుంచి సేకరించాం. ఇప్పుడు మీకు అవి చూపిస్తాం, చూడండి.
Astronomers say they're hearing signs from deep space. They're not sure what they are. It's only the second time in history they've heard these signals, and they're not ruling out aliens as the cause behind it.
So there's a bit of radio noise that goes right down the radio dial. It's like a slide whistle. If you could hear it, it would be like that, but in a tenth of a second or less, an eye blink. And we've found 60 of these things.
From the observations we have so far, it looks like it's a very elongated object, maybe about a quarter mile in length.
We think this object, 2017 U1, is very long, perhaps 400 meters or so long, and very narrow, skinny, perhaps maybe 40 meters or so in the other dimensions. That's a very unusual shape. We don't see that in our solar system. None of the asteroids in our solar system look like that. So it's very puzzling how it could have obtained this shape.
Oh my God.
Islands. The earthquake struck just after 2 this afternoon, causing panic in areas where the jolt was much stronger. So far, no reports of widespread damage or injury there either. But there is concern about aftershocks, especially after just hours later, a 6.1 struck the area.
Deadly tornadoes sweeping through one of those Super Tuesday states, Tennessee.
At least 2 tornadoes touched down, including one that caused heavy damage near downtown Nashville. We're learning that at least 7 people are now confirmed dead in the metro area. Emergency crews are dealing with about 40 collapsed buildings.
Oh my God!
The tornado filled the sky as it churned across Tennessee's state capital just before 1 a.m. Lightning and power surges were visible, leaving tens of thousands without electricity.
Wildlife officials in BC are trying to figure out why dozens of birds literally dropped from the sky dead. Witnesses say they'd never seen anything like it.
As you can see on the drone.
No, this is like something of a movie. This is crazy.
What will Storm Kira destroy in its path? People aren't waiting for answers here in Yorkshire. The flood sirens indicate a region ready for flooding, but that doesn't mean living through it gets easier.
The big wheel on Central Pier is rotating on its own with the wind.
No one's braving the beach in Worthing. And in Holyhead, it's the cars that are swimming.
light. A lot of viewers wondering what those lights were over West Oahu. Check out this video from one of our viewers, Mash Hatai. He said he woke up at about 2:30 this morning to get a drink of water, and this is what he saw in the sky. It certainly caught his eye. He took the video from Kaka'ako and thinks the lights were over Central or West Oahu, hard to tell from his vantage point. As you can see, the two bright lights, and then slowly a third light appears. Hatai believes he saw about 8 to 10 of the lights total. He says he believes, at least he thinks, they're probably flares.
It looks like flares. Definitely could have been pictures, something more mysterious. But yeah, definitely probably just flares, military flares. Definitely really unusual to see. They were super bright. I guess.
Jesus, en el agua no puede ser esos barcos, ¿qué pasa? Trompeta, eso es lo que dice.
De hecho, el París se va a escuchar así.
ప్రపంచంలో ఇలాంటివన్నీ ఎన్నో విషయాలన్నీ కూడా జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మేము ముందుకు తీసుకొస్తాం. జస్ట్ వెయిట్ అండ్ వాచ్.